Shoving furniture against the wall and painting everything white doesn't make your small home feel bigger, just boring. Let's bust 5 space-stretching myths with 2025's organic modern tricks that will make your spot feel twice the size. Myth 1. The all-white paint job. Cool whites feel clinical and bounce harsh light. Instead, wrap your walls in a warm, creamy off-white like Swiss coffee. It soaks up glare and softens shadows, making walls feel further away. Add a single matte black accent, like a picture frame, to keep things sharp without adding clutter. Trap 2. The tiny apartment sofa. It hogs floor space and isn't comfortable. Instead, try a 60-inch curved arm sofa. Its rounded back creates airflow behind it, and the crescent shape guides traffic naturally around the seating area, making the whole room feel more open and generous. Fail 3. The forgotten ceiling. A flat white ceiling can visually shrink a room. Try wallpapering just the ceiling with a light textured paper like grass cloth. The organic weave draws the eye up, adds perceived height, and hides imperfections. Just keep it a few shades lighter than your walls to make the ceiling feel higher. Mistake 4. Too much decor. Instead of covering every surface, pick 3 pieces that work overtime. A large framed mirror could double the light, a storage ottoman to hide blankets, and a convertible side table that becomes a desk. 3 objects, multiple jobs, 0 clutter. Last trap, the single, lonely plant. One succulent looks sad. Instead, layer your greenery at different heights. Try a tall floor plant, a draping plant from a high shelf, and some dried grasses in a low vase. Mixing heights and textures adds vertical rhythm and life, connecting back to that organic feel. If these swaps already click, tap subscribe. I drop small space cheat sheets every week so you never blow cash on the wrong paint or the wrong sofa again. So, to recap, use warm off-whites, a curved sofa, a textured ceiling, multifunctional furniture, and layered plants. Get these right and your small space will feel like a boutique hotel. Which fix are you trying first? Let me know in the comments and share this with a friend who needs it.